How to build an Instagram storefront that sells 24/7. Hi Queens, welcome back to Set Up and Sell. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're going to build something powerful, your Instagram storefront. Because if someone finds your account today, through a reel, a shout out, or a story share, they should know exactly what you offer, who it's for, and how to buy it within 30 seconds. Instagram isn't just a content platform. It's a 24/7 sales environment. And when you build it right, it sells for you, even while you sleep. Let's break down the exact structure to turn your Instagram into a storefront that closes buyers without needing a full website, a funnel, or a big team. First, what is an Instagram storefront? Think of your storefront as the full user journey from discovery to purchase, all happening inside your profile. Your bio, of course, headline, feed, Sugar's value builder, pinned posts, Fragor's sales page, highlights, Harder proof, Plut's product demo, link in bio, Harder checkout counter, DMs, Hinder concierge service. If someone lands on your page and asks, "What do you sell?" That's a red flag. Your storefront should answer that instantly. Step 1. Start with a bio. That sells your bio is your homepage headline. Make it tight. Use this formula: who you help, what you help them do. Plus, clear CTA. Examples: helping creators turn content into cash, grab your digital product kit. DM scripts plus launch systems for service pros. Starter pack below. Make sure your CTA matches the product you want to sell most. Don't list everything. Guide them. Step 2. Pin your sales content. Use the top 3 pinned posts like your storefront banners. Recommended post types. 1. Offer breakdown. What's inside my $27 DM script kit? 2. Client results or proof. How name booked 3 clients with this one tool. 3. Your signature framework. 3 steps to go from ghosted to booked out. Every new visitor sees these first, and if they speak clearly, sales can happen without a single conversation. Step 3. Use story highlights to create the journey. Highlights. Check digital sales page. Organize them to match the buyer's thought process. Recommended highlights. Start here. Who you help. How your offer works. Product offer. Walkthrough, demo, use cases. Proof. Screenshots, messages, shoutouts. Q&A. Common questions about the offer. Behind the scenes. You working on or inside the product. Each highlight should end with a call to action. Link in bio or DM me the word X for the link. Step 4. Your feed. Your funnel. Think of your feed as 3 parts. 1. Attract. Reels, hooks, or carousels that bring people in. 2. Warm. Value posts that shift perspective and build trust. 3. Convert. Posts that pitch, highlight results, or teach from the product. If you post 3 to 5 times a week, your feed should rotate through this rhythm. Bonus. Repurpose stories, emails, or old content. Consistency, originality. Step 5. Use DMs as your follow-up system. Your DMs are not just chat boxes, they're your conversion space. Here's how to use them. Poll voters, follow-up, story viewers, invite to click or reply, question box responses, start convos, new followers, greet, guide, offer help, CTA examples. Want the toolkit link? This might be perfect for where you're at. Want the info? Here's what's inside. Want me to send a sneak peek? You don't need a funnel if your DMs flow with purpose. Step 6. Make your link in bio work, like a product shelf. No link chaos, no 12-button menus. Instead, organize like this. 4. Main product, the one you promote the most. 5. Lead magnet, freebie for new audience warm-up. 6. Secondary offer, if relevant, course, vault, service. 7. Contact apply, for premium or high ticket. Use stand store, beacons, or Gumroad to keep it clean. Add product covers if possible. Make it visual. Step 7. Audit your storefront weekly. Just like a real store, your IG storefront needs maintenance. Weekly audit. Does your pinned post reflect your current offer? Do your highlights need new testimonials or updated dates? Is your bio CTA aligned with what you're actively selling? Are you using stories daily to keep traffic warm? You don't need to rebuild every week. Just refresh and realign. Final tip. If your Instagram profile doesn't sell for you, it's not a traffic problem. It's a structure problem. You already have the attention. You already have the product. Now you need a storefront that brings it all together, so your buyer can say yes without waiting for a launch, a funnel, or a website. Build your feed like a funnel. Treat your bio like a CTA. Use your highlights like sales pages, and let your Instagram sell 24/7.